Alright guys, so in this video we will talk about user input in C++. So let's get started. So since we have discussed about cout object in C++, cout object is used to print output on output screen. So uh, similarly, a scene object is used to take input from user. So scene object is also belong to IOStream, same as cout object, and it take input from user until enter key will not press. So scene object will take the input until enter key will not press. So if you press enter key, it will stop taking input. Scene object use input operator to take input. So like cout object, scene object also use an operator to take input. Cout object use open angular bracket and scene object use close two angular bracket to take input. And syntax of using scene object is scene and then uh, input operator here, and then name of the variable in which you want to store the input. So for example, I have a variable here of data type int, and in next line I have take the input variable from the user using scene object. So scene, then input operator, and then the variable name of the variable in which you want to store the variable. So this is all about scene object, and that's all for this video guys. In next video we will see the practical of scene object. If you find the video useful, please like the video and share and subscribe the channel. So thank you so much guys for watching.